Welcome to the threat extraction demo video. In this video, we will show you how the threat extraction operates. Start by opening the Chrome browser. We have saved an Excel file with macro in Google Drive. Click the file, then click Download. Wait for the file to be downloaded. In the ZoneAlarm Chrome extension, we can see the status of the file. We can see the potential elements have been removed from the file. A sanitized version of the file has now been downloaded and is safe to open. The macro is extracted from the file and a clean version without any malicious content is now open. We will now download the original file. We open the file in its original format in Excel, including the macro. The macro contains a virus. Without ZoneAlarm threat extraction, we would have been hacked. ZoneAlarm threat extraction removes potentially malicious elements from downloaded files using enterprise-grade technology by chip.